Today we're showing you a 2006 John Deere 3320 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive open operator station tractor. Tractor was traded in from a fella in northern Michigan. He was trading it for a cab tractor. Tractor is a one-owner tractor. It's very clean unit. Has the 300X quick attach front loader. The loader comes off and on really easily. Bucket is also quick attach with the John Deere style hookup. Heavy duty front bucket with the bolt-on cutting edge. Also has hooks up top, 3 of them. Front grille does have a little bit of damage right here in the center. Also is missing the John Deere emblem up front here. But overall, very clean little tractor. Very low hours, is just over 350 hours on it. Does have the e-hydro transmission. So you have pedals for forward and reverse, and then 3 ranges over there to the left, so you can have different ranges in the transmission. Also has cruise control, 540 PTO, has the top link on it, foldable rollover bar, suspension seat. This is equivalent to the 3033R, which is a newer model that would have replaced this tractor. Has the load match here on the dash. We do take trades. We also do offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. Tractor also is prior to all the Tier IV emission regulations, so it has none of the Tier IV emissions on it. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of the other used tractors on our yard, please contact us or visit us on the web.